This is one of the things that is absolutely thrilling me, and that is the performance of the Agapanthus. You guys know that last year I planted a lot of Agapanthus from the Southern Living Plant Collection. Now I've got some here, and this is an experiment I'm trying. If it works for my Eugenia, why couldn't it work for my Agapanthus? So there's a new variety out, Ever White Agapanthus. This grows a little bit shorter in stature, but it's still not hardy to my zone. But and it blooms a little bit earlier. But look at that. I just love those blooms. And I've got big, thick buds. So what I am going to try this year is I am just going to dig big holes for the pots, and then I can bring them in the fall before frost, and I can set them into the holes right here. And I'm going to try that, and I think I might have some success. Why? Because Agapanthus actually really likes to be root bound, to bloom more profusely. Now it may be that at the end of the season or next year, whatever, I need to repot it in a bigger pot, but I am going to try that. And I've got 3 pots of this new Ever White Agapanthus. So that's exciting. Ooh, I just spied another bud that I didn't even know was there. I love the fact that this blooms a little bit earlier.